Why am I so awkward? So, since I started watching Pretty Little Liars when I was in high school, in the intro sequence, they're like doing Allison's makeup for her burial, and they put on the most like beautiful bronze eyeshadow that I have idolized ever since, and I have been looking for like that bronze, and I found something pretty close in the ColourPop Kathleen Lights pigment. This one's the Goat. This is pretty comparable, so I'm gonna see if I can't do a little Pretty Little Liars recreation, because that I don't know, ever since I was 15, that's just been like the makeup I strive to have. So ridiculous? Probably. Am I still gonna do it? Absolutely. So, and just a heads up, I still got this shit happening on my face, like my skin's still having a moment, so we're just gonna kindly ignore that, and I'm gonna put on some more makeup. pod? Who's a pretty kitty? Are you a pretty kitty? Mom, stop it. You're embarrassing me. Ruining my street cred. Look at this little turkey leg. Look at this little man. He's just a little man. You're so upset about this. You're the one who wanted to talk. By the way, this is the individual I talk to the most every single day. My husband works night shifts. So him and I have full-blown conversations. And yes, I'm a crazy cat lady. Look at the pretty boy. All right, sweet boy. Aren't you just a sweet boy? You're just a sweet boy. Oh, I'm sorry, I had lipstick on. Well, now that I have cat hair on my lipstick, it's about time we call this and get it done. So anyway, this is the finished look. This pigment's a little hard to work with. Pigments aren't necessarily easy, so you know it's a learning curve, but I'm getting there. I think it turned out really, really pretty. Not exactly the same Pretty Little Liars bronze, but I'll take what I can get. This lash is hanging on like by a thread. It's barely hanging out. Meanwhile, this one went on like perfect. It was ridiculous. There's always one eye that's great, and then there's the other one that's like, nah fam, not today. And my right eye's that one today. So it's good. Just ignore the fact that it's barely on my eye. It's fine. Everything's fine. I'm literally about to take them off and take off all this makeup. So that's that. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. Okay, well, I'm gonna clean up my mess here, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Why the finger guns? Why? Why am I like this?